Are we staying on the corridors of justice? We join Sheila Sendeyo at the Milimani Law Courts, where the suspect behind Sunday's fire tragedy that has so far claimed 9 lives has been arraigned at the Juvenile Court. Sheila, what can you tell us?
All right, what we do know right now, Gladys, is just one girl who's been presented before the court this morning, and the prosecution wants the court to allow them more time to complete their investigations. They're actually asking for 10 more days within which she should be remanded at the Milimani police station, awaiting presentation in court once they have fully completed their investigations and they have put the pieces together as to what exactly happened during this time, the fire that happened on Saturday. And she is one of those who the prosecutor says they say bears the greatest responsibility for the tragedy that saw 9 students killed in that particular incident. And therefore, right now, what happened this morning is that she was brought before the court. They were asking for 10 days. They're saying they're still waiting for other reports, such as the DNA reports. That's going to take a bit of time, given that most of the parents were giving their DNA samples yesterday. They're also waiting for reports from the fire experts and other reports as well from the cybercrime unit. The court heard that the investigators took her laptop from her home and her telephone, and they were just looking into her communication history, who she's been talking to, what she's been saying over time, to try to understand what exactly was going on with her and why she may have committed this particular crime. They're saying they're looking, or they're investigating a case of murder, and the instances where students sustained injuries as well. They're looking at charging her with arson, but they haven't finalized the investigation, and that's why they need more time. And once that is complete, they will firm up the charges. The Director of Public Prosecutions will be much more clearer as to what exactly they will charge her with. But the magistrate says they will give them 7 days. Within this time, she will be remanded at the Milimani police station. Investigators say that she should be there for her own safety as well. There's been concerns about her mental state, what's been going on with her mind. She's been complaining a lot about the state of affairs in that school, and she actually said that she was going to do something. And given all those issues, the investigators felt that she should be remanded in police custody under strict supervision so that they can monitor her to ensure that she's not in any harm's way. And therefore, she will be in custody for 7 days, and then after that, she will be presented in court, and thereafter they can talk about setting her bail terms. That's what we know at the moment, and therefore we'll be following this story for you and give you more details as and when we have them, Gladys.
Sheila Sendeyo speaking to us from the Milimani Law Courts. Remember, the suspect involved or in connection with the fire that engulfed a dorm and claimed 9 lives at the Moi Girls School has been arraigned in court. She will be remanded for a further 7 days to give time for more investigations.